Okay, we're working in the office. Actually, we're taking part of a wall out, aren't we?
Yes, we are. And I'm telling you, I'm really excited about this. Because it's not every day that I get to break something. I do break things every day, but it's not every day that I get to break something. So,
yeah,
here we go.
These cabinets fit almost perfectly, but there's just the slightest little bit because there's a little wave in the wall, so we have to kind of open the cabinet just slightly. Careful, careful, careful.
Okay.
Don't hurt yourself.
All right, here we go.
Tace is watching and learning, hopefully good things. Huh, bud? Don't hit any wires.
Oh, snap. Well, this is easy.
It's called a drywall saw for a reason.
I got like a boob shape. Look at that.
It looks like the Taj Mahal.
Yes, that's what I meant. Okay.
Anything down there?
I don't see anything. Maybe a rat.
Anything in the... Stop.
That's what I was sawing into.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
What is that? Oh, it's a light fixture above our mirror?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yikes. You didn't hit the wire, right?
No, I would have felt that.
This stud is not very stable.
Listen, I am too stable, okay?
Insert laugh track.
I will. Trust me.
It fits! Look at that.
Yeah, now you need to put the cabinets on.
I know. That's going to be the last thing we do. Yay! I was so worried that these weren't going to fit.
We did it!
We only had so far we could go, and this is our only little bit of leeway, and there is no leeway.
Why did you break the wall?
And show them we can still open the door. Woohoo!
That's it. That's as far as it goes.
No, it's not.
Just kidding.
You just did it.
I did it. I know I did it. I'm awesome.
Did you? Alright, what'd we do?
Yeah, it's like blue sawdust. We screwed the two cabinets together,
Yay,
everybody.
And they're perfect.
Telling
Look
ya.
how good they look.
I am no longer Tim the Toolman Taylor.
You proved to yourself.
I have escalated to ow.
Here's all our cleats. We had to do these so that the cabinets are just slightly shallower than the bookcases, so we had to bring them out a little bit. So we had some room to make sure that everything is flush and perfect. Because I'm a little OCD. Okay, a miracle just occurred in our house. Because we're trying to work on this project, and Tace woke up kind of early from his nap, and so I brought him out to the girls to play, and look at the baby whisperer.
There comes a time in every man's life when you do something right for your wife. Today's that day. Check this out.
Woo!
They fit like a glove, you guys. It was seriously like Camber and I we measured the last little space, and it was 24 inches, and the width of the shelves are 24 inches, and we put it up there, and it slid in like a glove. I mean, it was like a puzzle piece. It was just beautiful. And I'm serious. I'm gonna start crying. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good.
Oh, close your mouth.
Are you super excited about the shelves, buddy?
So here's,
Dad,
here's a slight problem.
Okay, we had the electrician here. He put in a new thing, new outlet.
Yeah.
That's what it's called.
Now we have two outlets.
See, they're right.
Surprise bonus outlet.
Boom and the boomby. So one thing about projects, is even when you think you have everything to complete it, you still don't. So you have to go to the store like 18 million times. And this is like my 18th millionth and one time going to the store for this stinking project. So, camera's behind me, as you can see. She's pulling out right now. And then we're gonna go get some burritos, and then we're gonna come home and work on our project. We've got a Skype call tonight with some of our vlogger friends, the Kraus house, the Kraus family. So we're gonna talk with them for a little bit. They live in Nova Scotia, and we've been friends with them since we started vlogging last year, and they're a good family. So if you guys have a second, you should take a look at them, check them out. I put a link in the description below. And I think right now they're on a temporary hiatus from daily vlogging, so they're posting weekly videos. But you should check them out anyway because they're really cool and they're funny and they got cute kids. So onward and upward and crossword, and here we go. Crossword, like the puzzle? Ugh. Guys, this truck is like a torture chamber right now without AC. I seriously don't know how our grandmas and grandpas did this. Drive around in cars without air conditioning. Everybody must have stunk to high heaven back then. Ugh. Okay, I had to come over to Home Depot because they didn't have the trim that we need at Lowe's. And I got this cart. And it's super loud. Check this out. Hi. He's saying cheese.
Yeah, you climbing on Dad? You get him. Get him. Get him.
We made it home, everybody.
Aww.
We got a ton of wood. High five.
Why does everyone push me back?
High five. What are you doing? Your hands smell like Rice Krispies. Hello, buddy.
Hey! I can't see.
Alright, you guys, we've been talking with the Kraus house for the last little while, and they're some of our good friends up in Canada. We have international friends.
I should talk with an accent, I feel.
You already
You do.
I take off, you hoser.
Yeah, they're some of our good friends. We met them about, I guess it's been almost a year, probably 8 or 9 months. And they vlog too, so if you guys get a chance, you should go check them out. It's the Kraus house. I'll put a link in the description below. So say something Canadian.
Took, Chesterfield, and hockey.
Yeah. All right, guys, you heard it. Go check them out. Everybody in the house has been helping with the construction projects today.
You working?
Are you building, buddy? Well, well, well. I don't know how to finish that one. Oh goodness, it's been a long day. Long day of work and going to the hardware store and playing with the kids and the kids playing with each other, and it's just been so much fun. So we're gonna say goodnight to you guys, okay? So good night.
Night, everyone. Make sure to invite friends over at night.
Who, Bray? When she ate it? Rose! Well, have a great night and a great week, and we'll see you tomorrow, okay? So goodbye. All right, you guys, it's just about 1 in the morning. Camber and I have been working all day long. We just got finished for the night, and this is what we got done. Boom.
So good.
Got all the base cabinets put in, and then we put in the shelves up there, and then what we have left to do is the trim, and then put all the shelves in,
And the crown.
and then and the crown, and then paint it, and then it'll be beautiful.
Yeah.
Just like my esposa.
It's so
Mwah.
great. Mwah. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Thank you for your help.
Oh, you know.
It's my idea, actually. Are you ready to swimmy?
Are you driving up and down?
Maybe, yes, probably. Would you like to go on my shoulders as I do it? Okay.
Daddy?
How about you? Are you going to be brave?
No.
You're not?
I don't like to try new things. You can get really hurt.
No.
Be safe on
You
the
still
slide.
have crust